office release, let's start the video now. Pirates of the Caribbean 6. All the latest information on release date, cast, plot, and more Pirates of the Caribbean 6 is in development. However, while fanatics of the franchise assume it to launch and the way will the tale continue, here's what we recognize to date approximately the destiny of the Pirates of the Caribbean films. When Pirates of the Caribbean The Curse of the Black Pearl changed into launched, its huge fulfillment changed into unexpected. Before 2003, pirate films had been visible as a short field workplace flops. However, this franchise has remained famous ever since, continuously proving its global mass attraction and income's depth and Oscar nomination for his function as Jack Sparrow. Pirates of the Caribbean 6 release date. There is no showed launch date for Pirates of Caribbean 6, however, films inside the franchise have been historically launched both in July or May. The ultimate three installments at World's End, On Stranger Tides, and Dead Men Tell No Tales ruled field workplace on Memorial Day weekend, and it appears, in all likelihood, that the sixth film might be launched across the identical period. Except for Dead Man's Chest and At World's End, a 4 to 5 years wait between Pirates of the Caribbean films has been the norm. Considering Bruckheimer hinted the script might be completed soon, the mission is probably a year from filming. This should suggest a 2022 or 2023 launch. However, not anything is certain. Pirates of the Caribbean 6 cast. Casting for Pirates of the Caribbean 6 has been a supply of speculation, and the massive query of Depp's involvement maintains unanswered. Once a pirate film without Jack Sparrow regarded to be as unbelievable as Marvel Studios recasting the function of Tony Stark. However, over time, the franchise's essential and home attraction declined together with Depp's reputation. Scandals and business flop install doubt if he goes back as Jack Sparrow might be well worth the free tag for Disney. In a current interview, Bruckheimer at the least continues the door open for the actors go back. However, for now, symptoms factor to Jack Sparrow gambling a minor function if he has any function at all. Meanwhile, actress Kaya Scodelario found out to Screen Rant that she is contracted for some other film and might be interested in returning. Bill Nighy additionally expressed the desire to play the long-lasting villain Davy Jones as soon as again. Lee Arenberg, who performed the pirate Pintel, is some other beyond solid member satisfied to see him in some other film. Stars Keira Knightley and Orlando Bloom have now no longer expressed any hobby as of, but even though rumors have indicated Disney's hobby of their go back. Pirates of the Caribbean 6 story details. After converting arms recently, the script for Pirates of Caribbean 6 has but to be completed. Creators has been quite on details, however rumors circulated Disney desired a female pushtail and fanatics quickly jumped on the concept of going lower back to the unique topic park experience for inspiration. Recently modified from captive to pirate queen, the person of red might be welcomed addition to the franchise even as giving a nod to the experience that began out it all. Thank you for watching the video till the end. For more movies, web series reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends to stay updated. Please subscribe to our channel, Box Office Release.